Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, I have this really good AI, as you can see in the background right here. It clearly sharpens, denoise, deblurs, and the images. The best about this one is, there is a free trial also. Now for this one, this is going to be a AI Image Enhancer, Aiarty Image Enhancer. This tool is a game changer. So before we get started with this one, let's talk about the pricing. I'm going to go to it right now. Perfect. Now this is going to be the prices for Windows and of course for MacBook. They're perfectly the same. And if you want to download the MacBook also, the MacBook version for this one, the website is still also the same. Let me just go back on the previous website. Perfect. Now we're back here. So simply click on the free trial right there if you're seeing a different logo on this one since you're using a MacBook. So please feel free to download it on this option right there. And it should look like this. So let me just go to it right now. Welcome back to the video. Now this is going to be the user interface of the AI itself. It is going to be a third-party application inside your computer. Now before we get uploading on the photos for the sample purposes, let's focus first on the right side. For the hardware, you can choose up the CPU or your GPU. But take note, if you're using the paid subscription, you can use both for a more powerful device. For AI model, the difference is going to be 3, and this is going to be the differences. So for the detail Gansu, it's going to be generating more details. Smooth Diff is going to be that one right there. Real Photo is specifically used for photo restorations, for old photos rather. And instructions for using scaling only enhance image quality without changing the size of the original images. Now take note, you also have this option of upscaling, of course, up to 8 times, or custom resolution. So there is an option that says 2 pass processing right there. By default, this is going to be disabled or untoggled. By references or by example or also by experience, toggle it right there gives you better results. Because if you toggle this one, you're going to have an option to choose one more option here regarding AI model. And the best part or the best combo here based on my experience is a detail Gansu. So first, choose the first detail Gansu, same drill for the second one. Now next up, let's try uploading on images. You can open your file explorer or on your end if you're using a MacBook, open your file, and with that being said, let's upload the sample photo of a dog. As you can see right here, let me just go back. Originally, this is gonna be a blurred image. Let me just zoom in right there so you guys can see it. Now you see right here, once I slowly go back on the left side, the dog unblurs, or sharpens rather. 2 options also, side to side if you want, but for me, I appreciate more using this scroll icon. Also guys, you can upscale this one a little bit more, but we're gonna do that on the latter part of the video. That's gonna be another example. So again, you can sharpen or deblur any images here for free. Now, let's upload one more here for discussion purposes. How about let's denoise? Denoise is gonna be the film or grain option right here. Now this is a very green photo, right? Let me just zoom it in. As you can see right there, it's a very grainy photo. But if I hover it right there, it lessens the green. I know it's not perfect. This is still an AI, but comparing it before, this is the new one. You can clearly see the face. Pretty awesome, right? One more thing, let me just zoom it in to fully appreciate the difference. So let me just slowly, but surely of course, perfectly right there. Great, right? Now before we get into the next example, or the next example rather, if you are satisfied with this one, for example, you want to download it, simply click on the run option right here. Because if I click on run right now, it will ask me to buy the paid subscription. However, I have 10 images that I can download for the free trial. So if I click on continue right there, that option right here for the first one, the dog right here, will be now downloaded. Same drill, it will show me the resolution, the exported option, and with that, I have the dog on my folder. Now let's try some more examples. I have here another photo of a close-up. As you can see right here, it's a very grainy close-up photo of a woman having its eye right there. So, again, this is a very grainy photo, very distorted and very noisy photo. Same drill, make sure you have your settings here. Copy mine if you want, it's not a problem. And then if I slowly go on the left side, it will remove the green. Again, not entirely, because this is still AI, but come on. That's really awesome, right? And right now on the tools right here, let's focus on the AI model. Again guys, these are the differences of the three. Right now I'm using the more detailed GAN. What if we go to Smooth Diff version 2? Right now it's currently loading algorithm. I'll get back to you once it's here. Perfect. Welcome back to the video. Right here, this is gonna be the result with only this AA model. Take note the differences and let's try the third one right there. Real photo. Now before we try a real photo. So technically real photo is gonna be specially used for older or for photo resolution, better fidelity and more clarity, restore original, deblurs, and denoise. Let's try that one right there. And with that being said, I'll get back to you once it's here. And now welcome back to the photo. Right here, this is going to be the result. And if you're going to ask me, the main differences of the three right here, as suggested on the description, is mainly about how we use them. For example, for the real photo, this is mainly used for restoration. For smooth, this is perfect for original photo, smoothness and flawless. And more green or more detail, generate more details, basically more clarity, more sharpness. So as my favorite, I'm still going for the detail GAN. And of course, for the upscaling 2-pass processing, still choosing more detail GAN. That's it. Right now, I'm using 2 times, but you can do so until x8, or that will be times 8 your multiplication of your current resolution. Again, that would be times 1. For example, I'm currently having 911 or 912 for 746. If I use times 2, that will be around 18 or 1800. If I now use times 8, that will be 900 times 8. And basically that is an awesome feature to take note of. Up to 8K resolution, or if you have a custom resolution to work with, this is the one you're looking for. So right here, before it was 912 by 746, and after it's still 912 by 746 because my upscale option is still times 1. Now if you want to upscale this one with one simple click of a button, click times 2. And you see right there, it's now currently 1824 by 1492. Since that will be doubled, or times 2, it's going to be upscaled. Now this will take around a few minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Right now this is going to be a upscaled version. Let me just scroll it be right there. A much more clear version. So an upscaled version, and the AA model removes the green as it is. Now, since this video is about upscaling, I have a photo here that is around, I think, 16K. Let me just go look for it. This one right here. Now, this photo is gonna be originally a moon, right? Now, take notice. Let me just zoom it out. Give me a second here. Perfect. Now, please take note. It's gonna be 16K there. Now, you hear right there. If I click on times 2 here, this will now be 32K. Times 4 for 64K. However, I am not able to do that because those mentions right there, those features for 32K resolutions are for paid subscription. I'm just making a video for the general audience, so I still have the free trial, so everyone can relate on my videos. Anyway, that being said, with one simple click of a button, if you have the paid subscription, click times 2 right there. Whatever resolution you have here will be duplicated or doubled. As you can see right here, this is really a 16K image. Awesome, right? That being said, this is gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.